If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. By this thought, I request Sanvi to host this anchoring.
With great respect and profound regards, respect your principal sir, hardworking teachers and my dear schoolmates. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful assembly. My name is Sanvi and this is my friend Sai Santosh. We are from grade 10 Junior Jasper and we are going to host today's morning assembly.
Today is 27 Feb 2025 and today is International Polar Bear Day. It feels great if we get to know some new information, right? So let's start this event with prayer. I request all of you to please stand straight and show respect towards it.
జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయకేతనం ముకోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం తరతరాల చరిత గల తల్లి నీరాజనం
A pledge is a way to show respect and love towards our nation. So now let us call upon Shiva Kumar to give out the pledge loudly.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Great to start our morning with a good thought because a good thought a day keeps the negativity away. By this sentence, I request my friend Nitya sister to come and say a thought.
Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Nitya Sri from Junior 10 Jasper. Today's thought. Success with negative attitude is called luck, but success with positive attitude is called achievement. I repeat it again. Success with negative attitude is called luck, but success with positive attitude is called achievement. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Learning a new word every day improves our knowledge. So let's all learn a new word now. And please promise that everyone will use that word every day. Okay? Let's promise, okay? So now let us call upon Nikhila to give a new word.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Nikhila from Junior 10 Jasper. Word benevolent. It spells as Benevolent. It means being generous or kind. Friends, please spell after me. Benevolent. Benevolent. Thank you.
Let us get updated by ourselves by getting the news. News full form is north, east, west, south. By knowing about our surrounding, what makes us give more extra knowledge rather than looking at the books. So that I call upon my friend Rahul to say today's news headline.
Happy morning everyone. I am Rahul of grade Junior 10 Jasper. State news. Telangana turned in bow experts for way forward in rescuing 8 people. Sports news. Championship Trophy 2025. A thrilling match between England and Afghanistan. Afghanistan won by 8 runs. England has eliminated from Championship Trophy 2025. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Sai Teja, brought to you international and national news. International news. North Korea opened its traveling to a group of people for first time. National news. An army vehicle was attacked by a terrorist in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you. It's always important to stay informed about the world and our nation. All speech, written or spoken, is a dead language until it finds a willing and a prepared learner and hearer. Let's call upon Ashrita for a pledge which gives us some more extra information.
Happy morning everyone. I am Ashrita Reddy of Junior 10 Jasper. Today I am going to give a speech on school life. School life has been a part of our life which has showed good face as well as bad face, and without our friends as well as teachers, our school life would be incomplete. Our teachers has been a great mentors and our friends are our great guiders, and without them we can't able to finish our school life. And I always say you one thing that you should all have no regrets in your school life, as it's gonna be a best memory in your life. Thank you. Have a great day.